welcome to our second lesson on statistics part 1. Now we are trying to put the skills into practice. We have this data. How is it called? Ungrouped data. Some people say data. Ungrouped data. Grouped data. This is now grouped. You can see we have grouped from 0 to 3, from 4 to 7. We have put them together. We have grouped. So grouped data. This is about a question on KMF number 4. Okay? So here we are told the number of students who are absent. Okay? Who are absent. Now between 0 and 3 days, maybe those who are absent in 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days are put together like that. And then this is the number of people who are absent in those number of days here. Okay? These are number of days. So 0 day up to 3. Not bad student, eh? 4, 7, terrible. Then terrible. So what was the key number 1? Arrange them in ascending order and grouped data. This is grouped data. That part is done. So we go to bullet number 2. Okay? What is bullet number 2? To try and establish the position which is in the middle. Okay? So we come here. The question you get with respect to this type of question is, what is the median class? So we are trying to answer that. Okay? Bullet number 2. When you get position, and that position is within a given class, you can give that class now. So how do you get position? I told you 2 things are acceptable. N over 2 or N plus 1 over 2. So I'm doing both so that you see. If I take the version of N over 2, it will be 39 over 2. And I get 19.5, not as a figure, as a position. 19.5 is middle of 19 and 20. This 0.5 simply means halfway from 19. Halfway from 19, right? If I take the version of N plus 1, so I get 39 plus 1 over 2. So CF here is very important. This scores. So try to do this. We give it 1 mark. That. And do you remember how we got it? You start. Then keep on adding. 6 and 9, 15. 15 and 8, 23. 23 and 11, 34. 34 and 3, 37. 37 and 2, 39. Which letter is attached to this? Capital N. No small n, my friend. This is science. Capital N. Right? So that is how you would get. Now, whether this or that, the median class remains the same. But I want to give you a tip, a bit of a tip. Cumulative frequency is arrangement in ascending order. See how it goes. See how it goes. In this class, we are told there were 6 students. So they will occupy position 1 up to 6. Position 1, 2, 3 up to 6 will be occupied by the 6 students in first class. Second class, how many are they? 9. So we've already arranged them in a straight line, number 1, 2, 3 up to 6. So the next position we are going to handle is from position 7. So 7, you see, 6, 7, 15. You can guess. So from position 7 up to 15, those positions were occupied by the 9 students who were absent between 4 and 7 days. Okay? Now, we have stopped at position 15 on our straight line. On our straight line, this is our straight line. So we have stopped somewhere position 15. Which position is next? Obvious, 16. So look, in this CF, which is in blue, this class, the number of boys were 8 who were absent between 8 and 11 days. Okay, boys, wake up. They were absent between 8 and 11 days. Okay, so we arrange the 8 boys. They start position 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23. Those positions are occupied by the boys who are absent between 8 days and 11 days. But even girls, you are not safe. You are absent here. 11 of you. 11 of you. 12 to 15. 12 to 15 days. You are not serious. Okay. So you understand. So we are looking for the middle. When we arrange from number 1 up to number 39, 1, 2, 3, 37, 38, 39 on a straight line, the middle position is 19 and halfway. 19 and halfway. What does it mean? In between 19 and 20. And then you come here and just check. Where is 19 and halfway or 20? It is here. So once you have that, do this. Do this. Highlight it so that your answer, median class, is 8 to 11. Highlight it. My friend, I'm telling you, highlight. If you don't highlight, you get confused. It's an exam. There is a lot of pressure. What will your dad say? What will your uncle say? What will your grandmother say? What will the teacher say? Exam is one way of elimination. If you are not smart, you remain at that level. Other people go ahead. They are eliminated until we get the best. That is the exam. Here, I want to get now the position. Once you have highlighted, what does it help you? It helps you to sort out the components of the median. L can be found now. The lower limit of 8 is 7.5. Okay? Normally, how do you get it? It is upper plus lower divided by 2. 7 plus 8, 15 divided by 2, 7.5. L is 7.5. Okay? So I'm going to use both versions. You will see. I want to concentrate down now. Down here. Yes. So here. The formula median L plus n over 2 minus c divided by f times I. You have to understand it. So using the version of 39 over 2 as n over 2. N is the last figure of your cumulative frequency column. Okay? It was 39. Another version is 39 plus 1 over 2. This one. So I've done this version and this version. Okay? So I don't need to go through this. I go through one and then you can do the rest. Okay? So we have already established the median class. That median class here. Go back just for a moment. You highlight it. Once you highlight it, it will give you the lower limit. The lower limit of 8 is 7.5. It gives you the frequency which you write. Then it gives you cumulative frequency before the median class. Before you reach median class, what was your CF? The last CF is 15. You see, I sort the letters. That is C. This is letter C. Then F, letter F. Then letter capital L is gotten from here. Then we are remaining with I, the width. You count 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. Count We are dealing with marks. No joke. We are dealing with marks. So come down here, we substitute. I come here, I substitute now. I have known L is this, C is this, F is that, I is that. I put my L, then in a bracket, N over 2 here. 39 over 2 is 19.5 minus C. C is 15 divided by F. Divided by F. So here, I don't need to repeat 39 over 2. No, I know 39 over 2 is 19.5. Subtract 15 divided by that. When you compute, you get 4. We can compute. This goes here twice. This is 4.5. Yes. Then this 2 goes here, 2.25. I add to this and get that is the answer. You can do this. Okay? After highlighting the median class, it gives you n plus 1 over 2. N plus 1 over 2 is this. Okay? 40 over 2 is 20. Lower limit remains 7.5. C remains 15. F8, I4. Put them. Don't repeat here again 40 over 2. No. Just give us the result there. You will have done it somewhere. Those are side work. So, again, we can compute. 4 goes here twice. The result here is 5. 2 goes into 5, 2.5, which is here. Then when you add, when we add 7.5 and 2.5, we get 10. You may see a slight difference, but you are very okay. I want you to try questions that deal with the median only. Be focused. We are doing median. Remember, in grouped data, arrangement has been done. So you go to key number 2, bullet number 2, position of the median. So we tell you median class. You are able to get the position and then identify the class. Then you have to remember median is equal to capital L plus, in bracket, n over 2 or n plus 1 over 2, which is done side work. Subtract C divided by F. I've finished with the bracket. We multiply by I, which is the width. What do? Count.